This is Know and Learn from YouTube channel. So I'm gonna teach you on how to make a presentation using Canva in 2026. Just search Canva and then go to project and then search up any science. So don't use science anymore because I'm done it. So let's try English. English. So type and can see videos. So can never see any type category presentation. So so you can see that don't use project. So just select create and then presentation and then go to templates like here and then describe your ideal design. For example, let's use English. So let's generate and wait for you know. So I think it's almost done. So let's scroll down. See, there's a there's a video presentation. So I think it's done. This is Canva AI 1.0, and every better experience is on the way with Canva AI 2.0. This technology is new and improving. Click it, then apply. Then you can see the English language, and, and then click that and present. So you're done. So just click it, click download, and just wait. That's very simple. Please like and subscribe.